We've just acquired this absolutely stunning, impeccable condition Golf R. It really is in lovely condition, finished in the best colour. It's got diamond cut style alloy wheels, Golf R calipers, full R body styling kit. It's got rear park distance control, rear diffuser, sports diffuser with quad exhausts. Absolutely beautiful condition. High level rear spoiler. Boot is immaculate, got the carpet mats as well. Full service history. One previous owner, just been MOT'd. Golf R seats, it has heated seats as well. Still 26,039 miles. All the warning lights go on and come off. It's got auto headlights, electric windows, electric mirrors, multifunction steering wheel with paddle shift. It's got cruise control, fully automatic gearbox, got navigation system, media system, menu system there, so different ways of driving the car if you want. Really does have a lot of extras on it. It is in stunning condition throughout. Our heated seats we've got there as well with climate control. Be well looked after. It's priced low. At DJH we offer full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.